Libby was telling me she have to go to the doctor.
I'm recording. Yeah, so I'm recording the call.
Yeah, we should start with our intentions and distractions.
Okay.
Yeah, my intention is especially get some ideas how we will be handle the audit. Like I was thinking on a brainstorm and approach that. Then organize a bit the Zenhub issues, and yeah, I think then we finish the meeting with the meeting attendance terms.
Okay.
And yeah, and help you with the Streamlabs if it's needed or not. We will discuss. And I pass to you.
Okay. So yeah, I have the same intentions as yours. So it's also in the agenda, and yeah, like you mentioned, I wanted to clarify the this recording stuff that we would like what is it, Streamlabs?
Yes.
So yeah, so I wanted to set a schedule for that so you could teach me, and then I think that's all, and I don't have any distraction at the moment.
Awesome. So I think, well, I mean, it's only two of us, but I think how would I mean I think I can start for the brainstorm or on the audit. I think what I would do is I would create. We already have the checklist, and then I would create like a, let's say, SoftGov checklist, and then we send it to a member of SoftGov, and they just fill it. And if they have any doubts, I mean, they can always contact us to help. But yeah, it's them who write it, and then they send it back to us, and then we post on the forum post with the date and everything we were saying. How would you handle that?
Yeah, it was the same. I was thinking the same as yours, just to send them this. So it's like you want, yeah. But my idea was like just to have one document and let them copy paste it on their own document, on each working group's document. But I think your idea is better to have a separate document for each working group, so they can just make their own changes, and yeah, and send this link to them, and then yeah, once we have the results, then we can post it in the forum. That's also my
Awesome.
idea. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, it would be great if we had like more feedback from, especially other members of the other working groups. But yeah, I
Oh, so
mean,
you're talking
Libby
about
is
the
going.
feedback, or not, or the audit itself?
I got distracted. What did you say?
Are you saying that you want to send this individual? You want to send the criteria to the working groups individually and get their feedback on the criteria, or you're talking about the process, how to do the audit?
No, I was talking more about the process.
Oh yeah, yeah,
The
yeah.
criteria
Okay.
was there, and the community seems like they like it.
So it's finished. Okay, yeah.
So
So yeah, I was right. Sorry. Okay, and then go ahead.
okay. Then I mean, I could share screen.
Okay.
Uh, I think um, I mean, I wanted to check a bit the issues we have. I was working
Wait,
before
before we go there,
on
so
the.
are we done with the first bullet of the agenda?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
we don't
mean,
have.
it's something. It's yeah. Do you want to add something? Sorry.
No, no. I just wanted to ask if there are already results, and when are we going to get the results? And I think
Oh,
there's a comment from Tam. How do you want to handle it
yeah. I mean, yeah.
in the forum?
I can share. I mean, Sam had a really good idea. Wait, I think it is. Yeah, this is the post. I mean, yeah, we have already 10 voters, and all they say yes. And yeah, and I told to Tam we are going to start with SoftGov
Mm-hmm.
and Gravity, and and then Sam had this amazing idea. I can just read it.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with the quality of the questions in the set of criteria. I think that this is going to improve not only transparency but also the documentation of the DAO. I think that starting this process should not slow down anything since it should not be a problem to have a bad qualification at the beginning. The important is to prosecute the overall improvement of transparency. I
Mm-hmm.
propose to use this first audit as a photo of the current transparency state of tech and improve our scores during and after the hatch. I also would suggest to not publish screenshots in the audit and to publish actual links instead. I think the goal should not be to verify if something were done in particular way, but to know where it was done and the context around it.
Mm-hmm.
Links create a web of content, meanwhile screenshots are totally unnecessary in a
Mm-hmm.
trusted community. So I would prefer to see links to Discord messages, links to a certain moment in YouTube videos, etc. I think that's a good feedback.
Yeah, I also like it, but I was thinking if, yeah, I mean, it's good to have the link, but it would take us time to check if it was, we have to look for the exact message. Or do we need to do that? I mean, if
I
they said
mean,
that, if they communicated that the changes in manifesto, if they tell us that they communicated the changes in the manifesto in Discord, they will just send us a link to Discord, but it will take us time to look for the exact message to verify where, if they really shared it there or in whatever channel. But if you think it's not necessary, then it's okay. It's
I mean,
just for us.
uh, yeah, I think we can do it. I mean, I think we can do it this way. It's like, I mean, it would take the same time to take a screenshot than just to link it to this place. For
Okay.
example, if let's say you show something in a video and you want to do a screenshot of,
Ah,
I don't know, let's say minute 30, 12
yeah.
seconds, you can
Yeah,
just
yeah,
link
yeah.
this minute, yeah, and then
Yeah.
it's on the internet and it's,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay. So yeah, let's just settle with links. Or they can
I
just,
think that's
yeah. And they can also just forward the exact message, right? For example, they sent it in Telegram. They can forward that exact message or copy the link to
exactly,
that message. Is it possible?
exactly, yeah.
Okay. Okay, then yeah, let's go with the links. So we will update the, I will update the criteria. Where is our agenda? Remove, I'm gonna screenshots from the criteria.
Right.
I added it in the notes in our agenda, so I will not
Okay,
forget
awesome.
it. Okay, what
Uh,
about what else? What are the other? Can you show again the other comments?
no, then I mean, yeah, it
Yeah,
was like
but
good job.
okay. So even Tam's concern is the timings. Are we going push through with
Hmm.
the trial audits before the hatch? Even if she
I
has
mean,
concern.
I think it should not take any time of no one.
Mm-hmm.
And for example, I was on a meeting yesterday with Juan,
Huh?
and yeah, we were like reviewing the document and talking, and yeah, and
Mm,
I mean, I think it doesn't going to take time at all.
true.
Like
Yeah.
it's like if you have it, you link it, and if you don't, you don't, and it's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. It's
Okay.
I mean, it should not take time. I mean, yeah, of
Mm,
course, what's critical to hatch is more important,
yeah.
but I really think it should not take time at
Yeah.
all.
Yes. And if we do the trial audits and then, because we will do only to a few teams, right? Like Softgov and Gravity only,
Yeah,
and whoever wants to do
yeah,
it. And if they don't pass it, we will not take it against them. It's just, it's just a reminder for them if they
exactly,
want
and
to.
also exactly, and also won't be us who tell them you don't pass it. It's them who know
Yeah.
they didn't pass, because it's them who don't feel it's yeah it's
They will see the
and it's okay.
result, yeah. And it's okay,
Exactly,
right?
and it's okay. Exactly. It's just to know
Uh-huh.
there is some work to do in there, and it's okay.
Yeah.
You don't have to do it before the Hajj.
Yes.
But
But Tam
also,
actually suggested, because she said that SoftGov might be very busy before the hatch, but if they have time, then it's good. But she suggested that maybe it's good to do the trial audit first for Gravity and Garden Swarm, because I think Garden Swarm wants to wants to, because they have this issue with
yeah,
transparency, right? So they might need it also. I mean, I think Garden Swarm is very transparent, but we just need a documentation for them to show that, hey, we're transparent enough, for the One Hive team.
yeah.
So
I
if
mean,
Sam wants to do the trial audit, then we can let them have it.
yeah. I mean, yeah. I'm pretty sure Sam would like to do it. But what I was thinking is the feedback gave to us, and
Uh-huh.
that we will gather better feedback on
Soft
softgov
Gov
and
and Gravity.
gravity,
Mm-hmm.
and then when we do like after hatch, we have like the best preparation, if that makes
Okay.
sense.
Okay,
But
or we can
yeah,
also ask Livia if she has time, if she wants to do it
yeah,
before the hatch, and if
exactly,
she doesn't want, then it's okay. Then we can also ask
exactly.
Sam.
Yeah, totally
Okay.
agree.
Okay.
Uh,
So
okay.
when will we do it? The trial audit. We don't have a target week or date yet for that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, first we should talk with Libby or Juan or both. It's like not we are going to decide right now the date,
Uh-huh.
but we can talk with them during the week. So
Okay. So
I
are
think
you gonna do it? You can do it?
yeah, I can do it. I can do it.
Okay, I will put it here that you reach out to Livia Juan about the timing of the trial audit.
Okay,
Okay.
cool.
And then, so
Yeah.
yeah.
So we go to Zenhub, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have any more questions about the
Okay.
audit.
So here, I mean, the biggest issue is like right now for I think the here is the digital security management, and I was work. I mean, Sam is helping me with that,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, it's. I mean, there is not much to discuss. Like we were thinking on a private wiki, or yeah, but it's I don't know. I mean, there is a lot of issues. Like there is even legal issues that I don't think is our scope. But we could ask Chris, Griff, or Santi to when we. I think what we can do here is to set up the management, the shared management passwords,
Wait.
and yeah,
Mm-hmm. Have you had a call with anyone from the team about this?
not really. I was just talking with them.
Yeah, so I think the first step is to set a meeting about this topic with people who know more or who are involved. Then we can then they can clarify with us the
Yeah,
tasks to do, because it's hard to make
yeah,
a first
yeah.
move without clarifying
I
what
mean,
they really need from us.
I think what they need. I mean, it's that the password management. We need,
Mm-hmm.
and I mean, I think the issue come to us because they need an audit process for the data. And
Uh-huh.
I think that's our role probably.
Yeah.
But
No, it's
then
not.
the legal things is it should
Yeah,
not be us. Like I really don't have any legal
exactly.
background. Like I mean, I think we should help in this first part and
Yeah.
then give it to someone to finish it.
Mm-hmm. But this was assigned
And
to
I also,
Marco, not to us, right? So maybe
well,
Marco, what?
he's,
But not
yeah.
all of it. Maybe
Oh.
we can only pick a few tasks there, which are within our scope. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, where we can help. Of course, we can help with all of them if they want us, but we have to clarify with them which specific tasks are assigned to us because there, like you said, there are also legal issues,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
we can't just. I mean, even if we wanted to help, we might not be the right person to do it.
Yeah, yeah,
You know.
yeah, exactly. I mean,
So
I think we can help. Yeah, 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 totally agree.
I read this
I
issue actually before when you sent it to me, and I'm still confused um with what they are expecting from us. So it would be really great to have this call with them
maybe,
ASAP.
yeah, maybe I should call Marco and have a call with him
Yeah, or set up a meeting
since,
with him so he can discuss what
yeah,
he expects from the transparency group. I mean, it's okay for us to help, but before we
yeah,
so we can help them correctly, we need to know
yeah,
the
yeah, exactly,
details.
exactly. Yeah, I will set up a meeting with Marco when he
Yeah,
has time.
yes. And it's critical to hatch, so I think it's urgent.
Yeah, yeah, ASAP.
Okay.
So yeah,
Maybe
after
within
this
the
call, I
week.
will. Yeah, after this call, I will contact Marco and
Uh-huh.
yeah, to handle it as soon as possible. I mean, he is very busy,
Yeah.
so when he has some time and if he wants to spend some time with me chatting about that, then yeah.
Yeah. But
Uh,
if the time is possible for me to join, then I would also join the call if you want.
oh, of course, awesome, awesome. Yeah, totally. I
Discuss
will let you know.
what's
Yeah.
what is that issue? Can you
Yeah,
384?
sure.
Yeah.
It's
384.
384. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you link? Yeah, it's okay. I just put it in
Yeah, I will check.
the I put it in the agenda
Okay.
so we know what else.
Okay. Okay, next point is checking the call recorders. Do you
You
want to
don't
take?
wait. You don't have other issues in Zenhub. All good.
Uh, I mean, this is the big one.
Uh
Then
huh.
audit
What
test, the
about?
audit. This is what we were
Yeah,
discussing right now.
yeah. The
So
trial
we should
audit.
write. So we should write here what we are going to do, or
Yeah, yeah. It's good to write
oh,
something
no,
in there.
maybe we can just assign. Uh, I'll be releasing them, right? So I should assign
Yes.
myself.
Yeah.
Uh,
And then, or you can leave a comment there later about the process or what we will do next or any update. Like, we will reach out to SoftGov and Gravity to set the timing. And you can also tag Livia and I don't know if Juan has access to this. I think he has. Yeah, like that. So just a heads up that you will be that you will discuss the details with them. Yeah, this to discuss the details and timing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. Availability. Yeah.
is that well spelled? Availability.
Availability. I can see. Yeah.
Awesome.
Ability. Yes.
Comment.
Yeah. Awesome. Good.
Oh, I'm getting good to that.
It's fun,
Finally.
right? Yeah. And then you can, once
Okay.
you started it, you can move it to in progress. If you have
Oh,
started this
yeah.
one. If not, then yeah. But you have
I
tackled
mean,
this,
yeah.
so.
No.
And how about
Uh, uh,
263? I don't know if it's important, or do we need to coordinate it or not? Are we coordinating it?
but this is about the.
Recording, I
Oh,
think.
already did. Yeah, we already did it, right? That should be a close issue. We create the system. We got the sheet.
Uh
Uh,
huh.
we inform the
Yeah.
community. We keep informing the community every Thursday.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, I think
Then you can
so.
close that one.
But okay. Uh, what should I say? Like,
Um.
maybe I
eh,
should share the sheet in here, right?
yes. Yes. The spreadsheet
Uh,
and the um
it's
and the
yeah.
manifesto.
Oh, Uh,
Or you can put it in the description. Copy paste it.
uh,
No, copy paste. Copy. Can you copy it first? Yes, and
yeah.
then cut the whole this
Oh,
whole text, all of what you wrote. Uh,
uh, in preview.
no, put it back here. Yes, and then select all. Yes, and then copy or cut it. Control X. Yes, and
Uh
then go
huh.
up. Can you go up? And then edit issue. Up, up, up. One more. Edit issue.
Oh,
Yes, and then put it in anything to add.
oh,
Under
okay.
anything to add, yeah, here. So these are like the description of what, yeah, of what. So it will
Okay.
be
Ah,
there.
awesome.
Yeah,
Uh,
and then update.
so
If
that we can say uh, keep the during uh during Tuesday calls. You like this way?
um, what do you mean keep them engaged? In what way? Like update
For
them?
example, this. Yeah, just keep saying, "Hey guys, this is the shit." If you want,
Uh huh. Yeah.
yeah,
Yes, and you can also put there. Oh, this is for recording, right? This is for a recording
yeah,
system. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then update.
yeah.
Okay, then you can close it. If
I just put close, right?
yeah,
Close
close
and
and
comment.
comment. Yeah, it's not a
Okay,
repeating task because we already. Yeah, I think it's done.
okay.
What
So,
else?
okay.
Hmm.
I mean, this is in progress too, right?
Not yet. I think because we haven't started the
Okay,
meeting yet.
okay. And the audit.
This is the epic, so you can see
The
the issues under it.
oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So there we still have one in
Audit.
progress, so we can close this epic yet. We can close it once it's done. I think we have to add another issue when we start um, doing the audit. Epic is like a collection of all the issues.
Okay, okay. So here we
Hmm.
did propose, we did that, define the
Yeah,
document,
so those
we
are
did that as
closed.
well.
Yep.
Socialize the idea and the community sync. Okay,
Yeah,
we
you did
just,
that.
oh yeah, so which one we are, oh,
That one.
okay, that one, right.
Yeah, so that's why we can close this epic yet. And I think we have to add more issues here, like when we start conducting the audit. We have to create an issue for the trial audit and the actual audit. Everything that needs to be done for the audit, we have to create an issue
Okay,
and add them in this epic.
so we should do it now, or
No, it's okay
we
because
should,
we still have the trial. Maybe we can add more issues
yeah,
once we have talked to Livia and Juan.
and one.
Yeah.
Okay,
But right now I think we're good. There's nothing else to do yet. We're just waiting for
awesome.
the results, right? The
Yeah,
official who will
okay.
announce it?
I
I
mean,
mean,
I think we just close it, and yeah, right. I
I
think
don't
Livy
know,
told me
or
to close it
so
on
you will
Monday,
close
but I
it
will.
or she will close it.
I think I don't know. I mean, I created the post. Should I close it? I mean, I
I
will
don't
ask
know.
Livy before closing it.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah. Yeah, ask her first because I also don't
yeah,
know
yeah.
the
She
process.
told me I could close it on Monday, but yeah, I just want to make to be sure.
Okay. I think
So
there's
I'll
a post about that in the forum. We can check it out later
okay,
if you
okay. Yeah,
want.
I can do it.
Okay.
So Zenhub is done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So next point. Okay, check the recorders.
Yeah, so I think it's just the same. Let's see if anyone volunteers, but I don't really expect anyone else. Oh, I forgot to update this one. Oh, sorry.
Oh,
We have to
no,
create a
no,
new
no.
one for February. Wait,
Oh, okay.
yeah, February. It's not
Yeah, we can just do
confusing.
it. Awesome.
And then, oh, sorry, I forgot to prepare this before
No,
call.
no, don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. We just do it now. Uh, as a
So we will be here in week
as
one. So
a
it's gonna be Feb 1 to 5.
yeah, February. Next is okay. Yeah, 1 to 5, 8 to 12. That thing that is happening this February only happened once every 200 years. Like you start
I
on Monday
know.
1 and you finish
Yeah.
on Sunday 28. Sam told me that.
Oh yeah, I saw it also on Twitter. I think. Yeah,
Oh,
that it happens only every 200 years.
yeah, that's crazy.
And it's easier to track if all the calendars are like that.
Yes, exactly.
Oh no, not
Every
me.
time should be
Wait.
like this.
Yep, wait.
Okay,
I will.
I do a week two. Uh,
We're still in week one. I think. Yeah. Yeah, you can
no,
change. Yeah, you can change the dates.
yeah, yeah, I'm changing the dates. 8
Mm-hmm.
to 12. And then I'll do the last. Oh no, it didn't change. Okay.
What's this?
I only
Okay.
missing the 3, 15. Cool.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so lapis mi YGG. Awesome.
Wait, I will have this one. Is there sprint planning?
We'll have a hack session on the code of conduct today. Are you going to join?
What?
I think you asked it to you were interested in that.
Yeah, but I was planning to join, but then Jess set up a meeting with me for Twitter at the
Oh,
same time, so he can
okay.
join. But I was planning to join actually for this session. I was thinking also of joining it last Friday before the legal call, but it got canceled.
Yeah,
Yes, and
yeah,
then today I have it's a conflict with my meeting with Jess about Twitter.
yeah. It's okay. I can keep you updated.
Yeah. Okay. So what else? It's also Friday at
Uh,
the same
I
time
was
like
not.
this. Yeah. I think we should also. I also forget it to announce. And I don't know in which channel should we announce that we are having the
Oh yeah,
weekly call for
yeah.
transparency.
I mean, I'm
And
telling it every Thursday, but yeah, I should announce it like with the first time, right?
yeah,
Just 1 hour before.
yeah,
Yeah, I
we're
had
yeah.
that stuff is like like the recording things, those things. I like repeated tasks. I use not to remember them, so I need to improve that.
I know. I also have a list of my repeating tasks, so I don't forget them. But these little things, I forget them sometimes. Like updating this call recorders spreadsheet. So yeah, I think we just should just announce it in the agenda, and it like what we talked about with Santi before, since we're going to the meeting attendance terms. Anyway, I don't know how we are going to ask the stewards to every time they post the agenda and of course we will put it in the calendar. I can put it in the calendar in all the calendar invites, but like Jess, Livia, they're all sharing in the channels when they invite people to join, right? They send the agenda in the channels.
Hmm.
So I think it's good to put the statement also, once it's final, the privacy, I mean, this meeting attendance terms, once it's final, I think we should also include that statement in the invitations that we send in the channels, like yeah, when you tell them that, hey, transparency
Oh,
call is
okay.
happening in 1 hour,
Yeah.
then you send the list, right, the agenda, and then it's good to put in that message also, in that message that you just
Oh,
forward every week,
so,
that
okay. Maybe we can on the stewards call we can say that, right?
yeah,
So next action item should be ask to the.
stewards.
I'm not writing for some reason. Like this.
Yeah, or wait, where is it? Where is the agenda? The recording statement
Hey, Griff.
on the Telegram message. But we have to
Hey guys,
finalize it. Hi, Griff.
How are you?
great. I'm just gonna listen though. I'm still getting ready for the day.
Awesome.
Okay. So yeah, this is important to tell them. to add this recording statement, they can just copy paste the one from the agenda template that we sent them. Or
Mm-hmm.
if they want, I don't know what's the best way to do it. If you want, you can. Where
I
can we
mean,
put it?
it depends what people like more, but I really like the idea just to paste it on the, like when they are announcing it, just paste that thing, like remember this has been recorded, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's just to keep the community reminding that.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah, but we can suggest to them that they can just copy paste what we have in the agenda template, so they don't have to, to think
Okay,
about it
yeah,
anymore. Just copy paste it
yeah.
in this invitation that they send every time they before the calls.
That the tech is proactive to transparency. This call is being live streamed and recorded for use of for media channels.
Yes, like
You
this
mean that?
one. Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell.
Yes. So.
Okay. So okay, the do you want to add to the agenda the? I mean, we have 20 minutes. I wanted to go to this document we were checking on legal and just finalize it and give it to
Mm-hmm.
Santi.
Okay.
Like we add all the feedback we know, and then
Mm-hmm.
the legal experts just revise it and they do their thing.
Okay.
Regarding, I mean, I pasted here
The one from
the
YouTube.
restrictions that the YouTube.
Actually, I have one
Uh,
issue. I mean, I have one concern about this one, because while I was uploading the what do you call this? The video for Common Stack, I saw this statement that reuse is allowed. So I don't know if we should change that setting. Wait, let me show you this my
you,
screen. I don't know if
you
if,
mean
if the TEC channel also has this statement like this.
I don't I
Wait,
I
I
have
will
no
show you
idea.
my screen.
Okay.
Um, Wait, but it will not be recorded, right? I'm
You
so
are recording
worried.
it. No, just
Yeah.
method
Okay,
to
wait.
log in. Yeah, we can check it later.
But I can show
Uh,
you. I can send a screenshot to you. Wait, in the
on Telegram.
in Telegram. Then you can show your screen, right?
Yeah, maybe I can open also a tab in the other screen.
Like this one. I saw this. So I don't know if we should change this setting or because I haven't done my research yet about the Creative Commons.
I mean, for me, it's good to have it alone. Like, it means like if I don't know, someone want to use, let's say, all the content we have and to make a funny video or something good for the community, they're allowed to and use it on their YouTube channels and stuff. I think that's good to have, but I don't know. It should be asked to the community if they want to. For me, I think it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
Okay.
mean, it's nice to be. Yeah.
But
What do
because
you think?
I remember we talked about the ownership of the videos, right? But I think who was that? Choice said something that YouTube has a different terms about ownership. And then I
I mean,
saw
yeah, YouTube
this.
then is the.
Then I saw this Creative Commons thing for YouTube. So I'm getting more confused about it. Who, if we own the video or not, or should we mention something like this, or can it be changed in the settings?
I mean, yeah. I mean, I think it can be changed on the settings, but at the same time, I mean, we should ask, and maybe we write a note in here, and we let this discussion know to Santi, and then they figure it
Mm-hmm.
out what they want.
Okay. Okay.
So it's like the first bullet, right? Oh no, or we are the owners of all record. Oh, you mean okay?
Yeah, that one.
Well, yeah,
So I can add a comment here and then copy paste this
exactly. Yeah.
Creative Commons for discussion. Because yeah, I need someone to explain this to me.
Let me see.
About this license.
I mean I can write here like there is that option to allow other creators to use our content or not, and
Mm-hmm.
and I'll just write it.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey Sam. Uh,
Are you in a call?
yeah.
Okay.
Are you with Ivy?
Ivy,
Hi,
okay.
Sam.
Alright.
He don't hear you. Ivy just.
Hello.
He hear you now.
Okay.
There's an option on YouTube to allow other people to use the content. Uh, like you, I don't know how to spell it. Like you decide about it, right? Like telling to the legal experts, like should we get it allowed or not? Yeah.
Yeah.
I vote yes, just in case.
But I have to read this article first also. I have to read it again because I just did a quick read, and maybe I can understand it better. If yeah. Because right now I
Do you,
can't
do you mean do you mean that thing you the super Google
yes,
YouTube?
yes,
Okay,
that one.
okay.
So yeah.
Uh,
So I think this still needs a lot of cleaning. Maybe we can
yeah,
just work async for this one if you want.
yeah, sure.
I
Yeah.
actually added this to my things to do for tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, I think it would be very cool to have it ASAP for Santi.
Yeah.
So, do you want to? Yeah, we do it async and then we coordinate, or we just do it async and we just send it to Santi. How do you want to handle it?
Um, we can also because we are planning to have another call because he would teach me how to put this recording thing when I'm
Oh,
recording, right? So on
sure.
that call is gonna be quick. I think when you teach me this, then we can also discuss this one. I mean,
So,
after we finish the edits.
so do you want to do this call on Wednesday? So we have tomorrow to work,
Yep.
and then Wednesday we just sync.
Yes. Yes. Wednesday is great for
Okay.
me because I don't have a call with Tam on that day. Then yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to do 11 a.m. like usually, or?
Yeah. Whatever you prefer.
Yeah, for me it's fine. Yeah, I
What
like
time is
11
it?
a.m.
What time is it now? 11 a.m.
Yeah, right now now it's like we
One,
need 10
right?
minutes more.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, one and 50.
Okay, then let's do it 11 a.m.
Yeah, that's a good time for you, right?
Yep. I usually do. Yeah. I usually go out to do some jogging. on this time, on this
No,
hour. But it's
then
okay.
yeah.
I
No,
can
it's
adjust it.
fine. We can do it 12 p.m. It works
But
fantastic for me.
12
More time to
is
sleep.
good for you. Okay. Okay, then let's do it at your 12 noon.
Okay, so 12
Okay.
p.m.
Yep. Yep. It's an hour earlier than our regular calls. Are you gonna do the? Are you gonna make the invitation, or should I do it? Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Then you can just add
yeah,
me.
yeah. I just was adding to my own calendar, but yeah, if you do the invitation, that's better.
Okay.
Uh,
All right.
then,
What else?
so we discussed about the yeah. I mean, we have Sam and Griff. Maybe I mean Griff is listening, but we had some questions before to ask
Oh
for
yeah.
feedback. Maybe.
What's
Okay.
up?
Oh, awesome. I mean, we were discussing before on the like we were saying to set up a call with Libby and Juan to see for the trial audit,
Yeah.
and what we think, like me and Ivy think, like the process should be something like first we have that checklist, and then we create a checklist for like in the future for every working group. And our idea is just to give them this document, and so they fill it out. And yeah, of course, they can ask help from us at any moment. But normally it's them who fill it out, and then when they got it finished, we can just post it on the forum channel with the date, so all the community can see it there. And yeah, that's the system we think. But it would be nice if I mean to know if that's good. If you would change
Yeah.
something.
I think it's good. I think that you should offer them, if they would like, a time to do it together.
Awesome.
That might help. Otherwise, they might have trouble prioritizing it.
Okay. Okay.
But I think giving them making the default. Listen, here's your to-do list. Go check it off. See how grade yourself on transparency. I think that should be a good default.
Awesome.
That sounds like,
Thank you.
yeah, that sounds like a good default.
Do you have any feedback on that?
I am not listening to you guys because Septis is having headphones. But my feedback should be that it's not privacy, it's not transparency who should impose anything. It's like it's an auto responsibility form in which people is just saying, yeah, we have that okay, and we have that not that okay, and then the community can understand which is the state of each of the working groups, but by what they are saying they are having. Of course, that has problems, but it also have a lot of good things. Like we are not the inspector.
Yeah, we're not the yeah, but
That's the good thing.
yeah,
It's not an inspection. It's a self-responsibility checklist.
Mutual accountability.
I mean, it would be nice if you hear. Yeah, Sam is hearing now. Yeah, but the thing, like the process we started suggesting is we give that checklist to the working group, so they fill it up, and then Griff have the Griff feedback is like offer them to have a meeting together, so we fill it.
Yeah, for sure. Of course, the meeting should be also. But from the perspective that we are going to be, it's like instead of being transparency who is judging, it's the working group who is judging. They are auto-judging themselves.
Yeah, but we already put it on the like that's the system.
Yeah, and the call is for sure something that.
Yeah, it just is they need help.
Not only help, but it's like okay, can you explain me why do you think that it's checked? It's
Well, that'd be judging, right?
not that much.
Okay. And then, I mean, yeah, we still have 5 minutes.
I don't hear you, Griff. I don't know if it.
So, Zeb.
I'm not talking.
Okay.
Okay. Zeb. So what I was saying is maybe if Livia and Juan agrees to a time, if they want to do it together, do you want to set up a call with both of them and discuss with them the process, just to make them clear with them, so if they have questions they can ask right away? Because I think I put there in the process that before we do the audit, we would set up a meeting with the participants, just to explain what the audit is about, and just to explain the process with them, what they have to do.
Oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, and then we should do it on. Yeah, I mean, we should. It would be nice if we can do it this week, but maybe if we organize and do it next week. Like, my idea is like to have Livia and Juan in the call, and you.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, organize to be all there.
Okay. So.
Yeah,
Or
but
do
that's
you want
that's
to, like what we talked about before? Do you want to ask me? Do you want me to ask Tam if we can include it in one of the stewards call, where we will explain the process to everyone, but we will tell them that
yeah,
we will test
yeah,
only the audit
that's
with
even better.
SoftGov and
That's even better
Gravity,
because we don't have to plan to
to
get the
explain it
people.
2 times. Yeah, and we don't have to
Yeah, that's even
explain.
better. So, but it should be this week or next? Yeah, I mean, if it could be this week, we could work faster.
But when
And
what's? But I
if we
think
have,
this week you're. Do you have a stewards call this week, right?
we have every week.
Okay, I mean the sprint, because we have sprint retro call also. Okay, tomorrow I will ask Pam if you will have, if if she will have time for us to explain the audit and the call.
Awesome.
I will ask Pam tomorrow.
And since Griff and Sam are here, I just want to talk a bit more about the issue we were talking before.
Oh yeah.
I'm sharing screen. Yes. We and Ivy were discussing, like, our first step should be reach Marco and see what exactly should we do as transparency on this issue, digital security management. And I mean, I also was talking with Sam on he proposed to use a wiki, but maybe
Well, a secret wiki. And I was not proposing that. I was just suggesting as one of the options, instead of using LastPass or anything like that, which is privative. It could also be a wiki in which all the passwords are posted, and the wiki can be kept secret because it can be encrypted with, for example, Keybase or some other technology that is open source, and at the same time, I don't know. I just was suggesting it. I was not proposing something in specific.
but and we were
Okay.
talking with. Yeah, go ahead.
We were talking earlier that maybe it's best to set up a call with Marco or anyone involved in this task to discuss the details. And if it will be done with Wiki, it would be also helpful if someone can show it how it's done, so we can understand better what is expected from us.
And then the second thing is like the like, I mean, this is an epic, and Ivy told me an epic is a lot of issues. Then is a legal issue that, of course, we cannot scope for that. Like, we either of us have legal background for the CRM thing. Like, I think we could help on the data management, but then like tell if that data can be used for the CRM or not, I think is not something we can say or know. I mean, we will set up a call with Marco, but if you guys have something to add, that'd be great. If not, we can just close since we are in the top of the hour. Yeah, I think we can close. Yeah, thank you everyone for joining.
Okay. All right. So yeah, Zep,
Uh,
let's just set up another call on Wednesday.
Okay, yeah, we see each other on Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that was a very productive call. We have a lot of we
Discussion.
clear
Yeah.
our minds. Yeah, and keep going.
Thanks, guys.
All
This is a
right.
great call. Always
Thank
one of the
you.
most important pieces of the puzzle. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. See you later.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.